Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today will be just a short update of progress. I will show you where the car is. It will be more like a vlog style. Not much detail, just what's going on. So you can see we accomplished the installation of the winch. It's not connected yet with the cables. I'm working on how to fix the box here and the control unit. And yeah, that's what I'm working on now. So I will probably attach the box somewhere here and then use some elastic cables to connect the box to the control unit, and then we will put here like a safety switch or so of some kind to make sure that we can always switch off the winch if something goes wrong. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And you see I cannot really roll the line back in because it's too much of a line on this roll. It's already full, and I think it's because this line is not pre-stretched, so the diameter is bigger. I hope once I stretch it under the tension, the diameter of the rope will lower, so every line will take a little bit less space and I will be able to fit all in here. More details about installation in the video about installation. This is just a short update. I will show you now the back of the car because we have some update on the camping stuff. So I was working on the camping stuff, you see, the gimbal, sorry, and I have side pieces already ready, as you see. They are not 100% ready, but they were ready enough to be primed with varnish, so they are not getting so dirty so easy. Fitting this one was kind of a struggle to make sure it's nice and level, and yeah, and you can see I have the big bolt there, which is originally from the seat belts there, and the same here. So there are two big screws, bolts, and in case you wonder what bolt it is, this is the bolt UNF. It's like this one here, UNF 7/16 by 20, whatever it means. It's some kind of imperial stuff. And then I will bolt it down here. So I came up with the solution like that. I didn't want to take carpet up and unscrew this because I want to be able to bring car to original state as fast as possible. That's what I have now. You see, you can take it. I will try to show you. You can take it like this and then take it like that, or you just slide this in, and then put this in and secure it with two bolts, just like this one here. So this gives me very solid attachment, and I don't need to be worried that it moves somewhere. So I will trace position of this 6 screws now on the bottom of my camping piece, and then I will screw it here. Yep, so that's pretty much where I am at the moment with the whole thing. So there you have it, folks. That was just a short update. There will be minimum. Why the gimbal is whoa. So that will be a short update, minimum editing, maximum content. Thank you very much. Bye.